Alright. Hi guys, thank you very much for tuning in on Slikhaar TV. My name is Emil and today we are talking about hairstyling mistakes. And for all of you who just tuned in on Slikhaar TV and don't know me, I have over 10 years of experience within the men's hair care industry, so I know what I'm talking about. First of all, it's about getting rid of those bad mistakes and elevate your hair game. Step number 1. Choosing the wrong products for your hair. It's very important that you study why you should use the different products. You can also go to your barber or hairdresser and ask if you can try some different stuff or if they can recommend you something. Tell them about your hairstyling needs so you get the best advice. And to hairstyling mistake number 2, buying low quality hair products. You'll have to use twice or 3 times as much as if you buy a high quality hair product. Why is that? It's because the low quality is filled with a lot of water. When you apply that, you have to use a lot to get the results you want. And even though you apply a lot, your hair might fall down. Compare with, for instance, a Vilain hair product. It will last you longer. So in the end, you might spend the same amount. Hairstyling mistake number 3, not taking care of your hair. I wash my hair every single day with a very good quality shampoo and a conditioner. That's the way I like to do because I use a lot of hair products. I rinse it off and I apply some natural ingredients in the conditioner, and also the shampoo applies a little bit of good stuff too. That's the way I balance my hair and my scalp. Hairstyling mistake number 4. Being too harsh on your hair. When you have had a nice hot shower and when you get out, the pores are open, and when you're towel drying your hair, then if you're ripping too much in your hair, you might eventually lose hair straws and also you might damage the hair. And of course, I would recommend that after towel drying your hair, you use a hairdryer. Hairstyling mistake number 5. Picking a hairstyle that doesn't fit you. I mean, these days with a lot of influencers and famous people out there rocking different and nice hairstyles, it's very easy to get caught up with the dream of having such hairstyles. All of you guys out there are unique. You might have curls, you might have straight hair, black hair, blonde hair, but not all hairstyles are suited for your hair type and hair color. I'll recommend that you go and visit your barber so everything should balance your head shape and your hairstyling. Hairstyling mistake number 6. It's the technique. You probably know the feeling of spending 5 to 10 minutes in front of the mirror and blow drying and doing different stuff with your hair, and then you end up as a disaster. What is wrong here? It could be the technique, it could be the products, it could be an overall thing of all the different elements. So we'll recommend that you spend some time watching our videos here on YouTube, and then you can master the technique. You'll find a link down below with a playlist of some videos you can use. Hairstyling mistake number 7. Not using a pre-styling spray. Over the last 10 years with Slikhaar TV, we have tried a lot of different products. 7 years ago we started the Vilain hair product line, and we knew from the beginning that we wanted to develop a unique pre-styling spray specialized for the men's needs. So we have the Sidekick spray. It gives you very strong hold, gives you heat protection, and also gives you an anti-frizz formulation. You use 10 to 15 pumps and then you blow dry your hair, and then you have it in a nice shape, and then you apply a little bit of wax. That way your hair will stay up all day long. Hairstyling mistake number 8. Being afraid of the blow dryer. Here on the YouTube channel Slikhaar TV, we have always advocated for using a hairdryer. I will use it every single time I style my hair because it's the way I get high volume, I get control, loosen up the hair structure, and then it locks down with the hair products, and then I have a hairstyle that lasts all day long. Hairstyling mistake number 9. Using too much product. Alright, here's the deal. You're probably not using the right amount of hair products. You can either use too much hair product or you can use too little. If you're using too much, the hair will weight down and it will fall, and it's not the result you're going to look for in the long run. If you're using too little, then your hair might loosen up or break up during the day. Try to use a little bit at a time, and then in the process of finding out, you have to try for yourself. And to the last hairstyling mistake, number 10. You're touching your hair all the time. The reason why that's a big mistake is because it's a bad habit. You put up a lot of bacteria and you also mess up the hair structure, and it's not the way to go. If you have the need of touching your hair all the time, then you're probably using the wrong hair product. So you have to go and fix that in the first place. It's alright if you're in the metro and you got a big wind coming in, then you're just puffing it down, but it's, you know, think about it. Thank you very much for watching the 10 hairstyling mistakes. I really hope you could use some of our advice. Let us know down below in the comment section if you have some hairstyling mistakes we have forgot to talk about. Then we are happy to discuss it with you. As always, we have a winner of free units of hair wax. So please write your comments down below, give the video a like, share it, and remember of course to subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time. I will also say it's a common mistake that you are buying hair products that are not from the Vilain and Slikhaar line. I'm kidding.